weekly / weekend vlog. If you are new here, make sure you stop what you're doing, click that subscribe button, and hit the bell notification to be notified every time I drop a new video, which is now Sundays. Don't have a time for y'all though because life be lifing, honestly, but I'm going to do my best to get it live early Sunday. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and being a loyal follower. We are really building a community. It is really the road to 1K subscribers, so I definitely appreciate all the love and like just everything, all the interaction, all the engagement on my videos if you have been following me for a while. So I told y'all last week that we would be, when I say we'd be organizing my house, getting it together. Y'all don't laugh at me, don't play me, but I've literally been in this same apartment for like 18 months now. My lease is gonna be up in May and I'm gonna be moving. But we've been spending a little bit more time here, so I wanna get my apartment in order. I'm getting my accent couch hopefully at the end of this month for it to be delivered. But today, just today, I'm going to kind of organize my like desk area that's kind of behind me. It's like right here. I have like a lot of boxes that I haven't gone through. A lot of them are like, honestly, I don't know. I don't know what they are. We opened up a box the other day and it had my books from college. So I need to go through them. Right now, I just went to Target and I got a couple of things. It was like, what I went in there for ink because my boyfriend, my lovely boyfriend, set up my printer for me because I am in school. If y'all didn't know, I'm getting my master's. So I used to just print at work, but I got a job and I just want to print at home. So I was browsing and I wanted something to put documents in because I have a lot of important documents. I feel like I'm always looking for some documents, even like school documents for Laura. So I got this gold thing, and then I got some folders to organize them and put them by my printer. And then I got this cute little sign for my laundry room. How cute is that? It was like $5, but this is $9. I thought it was really cute. My printer is black. My computer's like navy because, well, I don't think I showed y'all, but I'll insert my computer. But I got a new computer. I have been computerless since I moved home in 2020. I had got it fixed. It was under warranty. Laura had threw my phone at my computer screen. It broke. I got it fixed, and then I got it fixed again, and then it just stopped working. So it was like a waste of $600, honestly. So my little brother graciously, like, so thankful for him, let me use his computer all these years, and I finally got a new laptop. I got the MacBook Air, the 15-inch. I'm really excited to have the Air. I wanted a bigger screen. It is a little bit lighter, but it has an M2 chip. So processing wise and like editing wise, I could do all that on there, even though I typically don't edit on my computer. But yeah, so it was a good investment. I'm glad that I got it because my brother's computer, while I've been using it, I just do a lot of processing on that computer. I download a lot of videos for like work and I just do a lot. So it was time to get a new computer. So yeah, this will match it. It'll match this in my printer. So let's get to organizing. We're gonna do this today. And then I probably won't do anything else today. I'll probably go through my clothes tomorrow because I do have Bible study tonight. So I'll probably go through my clothes tomorrow. And yeah. Also it's Wednesday and I'm at home because Dallas decided to do like their little freeze and ice thing early in the year because it usually happens around my birthday. So I've been at home all week and I go back into the office tomorrow, and then Friday's actually my work from home day. So yeah, so let's get to organizing, shall we? All right, let's go, Wesley. Let's be honest, I was not gonna do this without Wesley being at home. So now, don't you dare touch the table. Look what I got. This cute little file holder.
For what?
I have things to put in my files.
So you have files?
I got folders.
Oh, okay.
So you put them there.
So you, okay.
I have important documents that I'm always looking for.
I know.
In my budget.
Okay, your budget. Okay, where is this ink that you want me to
I
put?
want you to put this in my laundry room.
Where?
On the wall in the laundry room.
You got nails?
No, it has things.
What things? What things? This is the ink. Let's see here. What things?
If you open it up, you'll see. I gotta come out.
Okay. Hey, Alexa, next. Here, where are we hanging this on?
I need nails. What about tax?
No.
Okay then.
That's
No!
a Play Young Blue radio.
Come on! No! What are you trying to listen to?
Not this.
I like the song.
You the type to cut the grass and snake the best man. I'm the type to close the deal and cut my in. See me in person, I look like a ghost. See me in person, I look like a ghost. You wanna come in and play with the dope? You wanna come in and play with the dope? All you rap, sound like me. Can't tell who is who. You can know real identity. Can't tell you from you. Price went up, yeah. Angel investor, yeah. Price went up, angel investor. Okay, I'm not okay.
Not okay.
Think the good is not okay.
I shouldn't say no trust any and any man. Free them and not play along. Watch how them a sing a song. Suddenly don't turn a fun. Watch, used to talk on for me know me on top. Left me in a struggle so nobody come back. Take me for granted, take me for soft. And if you play hard, if you let me down when knock no foot, we give you right. You know me lock the shop, got me like when you show up to my face, then shot behind my back. Not trust people, can't trust people.
This is the first camera I ever bought, y'all. I got the creator kit, I think. And it's the T-Rebel or the Rebel T6. It's actually not a beginner friendly camera. I don't know why content creators were like recommending this camera, but I feel like it's bittersweet. So if anybody is in the market for a camera and they don't want to buy one, I will literally ship this. Cause yeah, I mean, it does do a good job. I have lenses with it. I'll literally ship the whole thing, except for my 50mm, cause I have other cameras that this will fit, or I could just buy an adapter. But, oh, this is my 50mm. But yeah, so if anybody needs a camera and they're watching this, just comment below. And yeah, I'll send it with all the stuff. It has everything, the charger, the cord, all of that. Cause I'm trying to get a new camera anyway. I have a vlogging camera and I just don't ever use this one. So yeah. Hey Alexa, play.
From the meat the fruit, mankind but evil. Get cut off, do we get cut off? In the care how much memories we have in the past. You broke up with your ex, didn't love, so you're single. Me broke up with me ex, him dead to me, I'm a widow. Get cut off, do we get cut off? Me no care how much memories we have in the past. Broke up with your ex, didn't love, so you're single. Me broke up with me ex, him dead to me, I'm a widow.
Okay, so y'all seen the before. Here's the after. We threw away a lot of stuff. So this stuff right here, that's like all Poshmark stuff. So I don't know if y'all saw when I was cleaning, but essentially I pack all of my things that I'm selling. Like if I've worn them, I wash them. But if I've never worn them, then I just pack them up in here. Like I probably tried it on, or like I was like, I just don't want this anymore. Still with tags on it. So I pack everything up in here and then I put them in this box. So all that stuff is currently listed on my Poshmark account. And then this is the packing supplies. And then I need to get rid of these. This is like miscellaneous, but this was probably all stuff that was on my desk in college. And then my printer box. We got my printer all set up. Shout out to Wesley. because I'm in school. So I like to print. I just like physical papers, but I got this from a brand back in 2020. Never gotten to use it. Did a whole campaign on it. So I'm excited to use that. And then I have my folders for personal stuff, some utensils, and then that stuff up there is like memory boxes, all of my camera gadgets. I have like another mini camera in there, an SGRO thing, more memorabilia stuff. Everything up there will probably just be like a montage of things, but this is like a real glass piggy bank for Allura. It's engraved in everything, but I just feel like it should be in our like forever home, so I'm not gonna set that up yet. But it turned out looking really good. I can actually put a chair here and sit here and do some work. Will I do that? I don't know, because I kind of want a desk in my room, but I digress. But we will take this for now. We have to get ready to go to church, so I'm about to do that, and I'll probably pick y'all back up tomorrow or Friday because I have other stuff. Like, we gotta go do mini spots in my room.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so this is editing Sierra here. I'm literally almost done with today's video, but there was a part in there I had filmed, and I was kind of like telling you guys what was going on, and I had filmed it the wrong way. So let's just do a little recap. So I got sick last week, and I didn't finish like cleaning my home, reorganizing and decluttering my home. And so I am combining last week's vlog and this week's vlog, or a couple of days, so that I have a full vlog for you guys. So this is going to be me like before my photo shoot. I took my birthday photos today because my birthday is not this coming up week, but next week, and I've never done a birthday photo shoot, so I wanted something a little bit different, and so I took those today. So I have BTS from that, and then you guys just watched me declutter and organize my desk area. I'm so upset that I took the footage the wrong way, but it's okay. Nonetheless, we survived. So yeah, that's what's going on. That's really all I said. But anyway, thank you for watching, and continuing with today's vlog.
If I ever made you angry, girl, just know that it get better with time. They say time heals. She can't see her life on me, she's so blasted. Fuck that nigga, you can tell him that you're nasty. And she don't wanna go to sleep, she angry. Lately she been noticing he ain't. Taught me ugly lessons. Pretty had me giving more than I was getting. So pretty don't come with something, well then I did it. Shame to tell my friends how much I do for you, cause they know that you would never do the same for me. I wasn't looking for your secrets, they just came to me, and they contradicted everything you claim to be. I took you to the club and you hugged on somebody that I know, and I know them type of hugs. Same shit I do to women when I know I used to fuck, and I know they with they nigga, but they never brought it up. I'm down these days, down to do better, cause you know I done enough. You should lay it down, talk about it when you up. But she don't wanna go to sleep, she angry. Lately she been noticing he ain't me. I wish that we can change places. Don't want no boo-boo faces. She got my heartbeat racing. They say time heals. Don't go build a life without me, cause you mine still. And I don't wanna go unless you make me.
Okay.
I know my knees will be safe.
Well, like, I don't care if my feet are in it back here, because like they're kind of the back, but if I like want to swing them around,
Wesley, I'm gonna make you throw these rose petals on me in a second. Like when I stand up, like from above you. You know how cool that's gonna look?
Yeah, Lord.
Southwest. Then let me see my lip gloss. It's in your pocket. Hey, you gotta move a little faster. You're the production assistant, so come on.
I hate to ask you to do two things at once.
You upset because you can't heal?
Yes, friend.
Lord, come here.
I don't want my boobs to be like out. Like, does that make sense?
Chin down a little bit. Yep.